Tune in for market insights as Nifty aims to rebound. Catch updates on US GDP growth, potential Fed rate cuts, and key Nifty and Bank Nifty levels. Gift Nifty lacks direction, indicating Nifty may open and swing around the flat line in today's session. The good news, however, is that the US economy grew at 2.8% in the second quarter. The upbeat US GDP data from the US confirms that the US economy will not slide into recession. We still believe the Federal Reserve shall start cutting interest rates hopefully by this September. That's because US inflation is easing noticeably and, most importantly, has resumed its path back to the Federal Reserve's 2% target. Our call of the day suggests Nifty is likely to do better this Friday and aim to close the week well above the dotted lines. We will spy with one big eye if the Nifty could stage a major rebound after the last 5 days of drubbing and the day with a bang. Long story short, buy on dips could be the Gyan mantra for the day. Global cues are mostly positive. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 2605 crores, while DIIs were net buyers to the tune of Rs 2432 crores. Sentiments turned bullish. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals are still indicating overbought technical conditions, but yesterday Nifty formed bullish candles on the daily charts. F&O August month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,500 to 25,000 zone. India VIX hovers at 12.61 levels. Nifty PCR, 29 August, is at 1.48 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 31st July, is at 0.75. Nifty outlook, positive session is quite likely. Nifty, CMP to 4406. Key intraday support on Nifty is placed only at 24,210 mark. Immediate resistance is placed at 24,609 mark. Range for the day is between 24350 and 24600. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 50889. Bank Nifty's biggest support seen at 50,551 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 51,601 mark. Range for the day, Bank Nifty is likely to trade between 50,500 and 51100. Bias for the day is neutral. In yesterday's trade, Nifty recovered smartly from morning panic lows to end flat. Amongst stocks, 1. Tata Motors market capitalization has crossed 4 trillion rupees for the first time. Tata Motors shares had hit record high at 1094, up 6.12% in yesterday's trade after Nomura revised its rating to buy from the earlier recommendation of neutral. It also revised its price target by 26% upward to 1,294 rupees from 1,141 rupees earlier. 2. Tech Mahindra Q1 FY25 results met street expectations as its net profit jumped to 851 crore rupees, up 23% YOY. 3. DLF reported a 23% YOY jump in its net profit at 646 crore rupees for the quarter ended 30th June 2024. DLF's consolidated revenue also surged nearly 14% YOY to 1,729.82 crore rupees in the April to June 2024 quarter. DLF received new sales bookings of 6,404 crore rupees, a YOY growth of 214%, and has healthy operating cash flow at 1,849 crore rupees, up by 133% YOY. Q1 results to trickle in today, Friday, 26th July, Chola Finance, Cipla, Cub, Indigo, IndusInd Bank, Power Grid. Saturday, 27th July, DR Reddy, ICICI Bank, IDFC First Bank, MCX, REC.